Good morning.
Good afternoon. Jeez.
You told me to get it on there tight, so I did. Rough End Nation. Let it begin. Hit. Let it begin.
What?
Let it begin. That's your depth right there, that little hole. That's 4 foot. Is that where you want to be? Appreciate it, Daddy. I'll be in a hole. Hit. Yep. Oh, you heart. Fucking mining, baby. Oh, I see dirt. I feel you. Hell yeah. Nice. Team Ramrod.
Another one. We gotta tunnel under that again.
Nope. We did it once. I ain't doing it again.
You have to.
Okay. I'll do it.
Bring that water in.
I'll do it for you, Daddy. Because I love you. You are my friend.
I think we could dig it from the outside like we did. And then we get inside.
Wind. Okay.
We can dig down a little ways. And then maybe post it bigger. A little ways.
Okay. You're always doing that. I have fitting.
Right on. I like it. I don't remember when it was. It was a long time.
Sounds fucked up.
Man, he went wild.
He went wild?
Kinda.
Did he come back?
Yeah. They went and got him. He had no time. It was like, if you have no recollection of any time.
Oh.
It was just dark.
I got you. That's wild.
I don't know what he ate.
How long ago was this?
I can't remember.
That's wicked tuna.
It's been a while.
I don't think I'd like that. Get him in there.
What?
Get him in there.
But then he thought it was like hours, but it'd been days.
Oh shit. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, slide her down a little bit in there. You won't see that good.
Come on.
Very close, give her a toss.
Spout to the south, right?
Yeah.
Think I can go one more?
No.
No? Okay. That's where she gonna be then.
Right there, you like it?
I like it. whole bunch.
Right there.
Okay. Send it.
Well, I'm sending it. Send it right there. Line back.
Got him. Looking hard, all right. Yeah. Come here, boy.
Use
You need to lay us in there. Okay. He got some dirt right here and he's good to go. Look the way you run that brush, boy. Makes me feel special. You know what I'm saying? I love you. I'll follow you anywhere. Yeah. Nice cut, dude. Aww. It's getting buried. I can make a mess.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out.
Easy on the glue though.
Why?
I don't want you wasting all that.
Well, someone would just bring cans to do a rough in. You wouldn't really have that issue now, would you?
Somebody help me load the car.
Pussy. Pack it up.
Huh?
Pack it up. We're roughed in.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all.
That's not bad. Look at you go.
Let's just get a little dirt there. We're at 45. I want to be able to move that just a little so we can get through that soon.
Whoa, whoa.
What'd you bury?
Oh, my.
Oh, what do you know?
Clip that piece of shit.
Talking crap on all my stuff. Well, you're gonna wear that wore out stuff forever.
Well, yeah.
Cuss it every day.
I'm just a day laborer.
You're a half day horse.
Half day horse. $19 if that's where you want it. What? 22 and 3/4? 22. 22 and a quarter. Jesus. Big day.
I'm glad you got that straight out.
Yep. Yeah. That's gonna be. Perfect. Every time. Call me Chop Saw. That'll be good. That'll be close. Huh?
Somewhat close.
Yeah, it's somewhat close. It'll make it. Have faith, brother. Touch my tape. Thanks, brother. Like 40.
Just cut it off.
45. Or 44.
Cut it off 44. Be fine.
Kobe.
Don't know him.
You're getting him all dirty. Hoochie mama. Hoochie mama. Kobe.
Range.
Like that?
Yeah, we'll see what that does.
Oh, over there. Yeah, yeah. We're just passing the other time.
There go just a little more.
Good? Perfect. Full on.
I think they've got the whole thing.
I'm cotton. I'm cotton.
Okay.
The other day when we went by, they had like
For you? Nice cock.
Nice.
Simple stuff.
What?
Hip, hip.
Yeah.
Just like that. I like it. I like it. Misfire. Jesus. Did you see that? You like that?
You got any suggestions on how far away from this wall I should put that drain? I'll center it, I'll bring it 3 foot off of this so it's in the center here. I just didn't know how far you think we should account.
approximately how much room are we gonna have between the vanity in there? We probably don't know what size vanity.
No, I think it's a 36 probably. I mean, we should have like 6 foot left. If the vanity comes to approximately there, yeah, we should have about 6 foot left, give or take. I mean, we could move the vanity over, give the toilet a little more room. I mean, there's a lot of room to play with, but there's
You think about, I'm almost thinking about 2 foot off of that.
2 foot off the inside of the wall.
What do you think of that?
That's kind of what I was wondering. So, 126 or so. Be about here. I think that will, and then I could put that shower head kind of centered with it, 2 foot off that wall, and
Okay.
that still leaves us a lot of room. If they decide to put a wall or something in there, there's room. Slide the vanity down, there's room.
They kind of suggest something.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
I think.
Yeah. Yep, we'll just go 2 foot off that wall and
Okay.
3 foot off this, so.
I believe in dudes sucking on other dudes. Don't you think? One position, split out your fucking pants, stretch your nutsack out,
Yes.
get some Tank the Breeze.
Yes.
That'll make you feel special. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Trap Nation. Oh shit, yeah, it worked just fine. Look at that. Perfect floor drain. Look at that baby. Yeah. Why is it so hard? Who built this pad? Here you go, brother. I made this for you. My favorite noise. If you're wondering.
Oh.
He's ready.
I must have dug out a lot more.
Jeez. Jeez.
Took out more than I thought I ever could.
That's 2'6". And that's just a hair. That's about 3 foot there. Oh, it's enough. It's always enough. Fucking pussy. Yes. Woo! Come on. Come on. Get in there. Atta boy. Yeah. Get in there, boy. Hell yeah. Look at that fucking main water, boy. He's in the building. Oh yeah. It slid right in. Hell yeah, like a hot dog. I spit on it a little bit, just went like a hot dog in the hallway, baby. Hell yeah. There you are. What? I like it. What? Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
Easy, easy.
I got excited. Touching tips. Coupler on that knuckle. Fucking drains, water line, stub outs. Almost finished up. Hell yeah. Big days. Fucking winning, brother. Fucking winning. Hell yes.